Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine at home. So, students, I hope everyone is also missing the school also, and yes, your teacher is also missing you all. See you soon, inshallah. Yes, class. So, today we will start our new term, that is term 3, and today is Sunday, 12th of April 2020. Today we will start our new unit, that is Amazing Journeys. The topic itself seems very interesting, isn't it? Amazing Journeys, and topic for today is finding information in a non-fiction book. Objective for today is to understand the features of non-fiction text or book. We will discuss this all topic and objective from your student's book, that is page number 40. So let's start. So students, are you ready? Yes. So let's start our new unit, that is unit number 5, Amazing Journeys, and topic for today is finding information in a non-fiction book. So before we start our new unit or new topic, we should be clear regarding fiction and non-fiction books. So what do we mean by fiction book? Fiction book means, or fiction story means, a text or a story. Whereas non-fiction book or text, it means that a factual text which gives us information about something. For example, science, history, germs, bugs. If you look at the word science, science means something which is real, which gives us some information. And if you look at history, history means that we know about the people who lived before us, right? This is something which is giving us some correct information, some factual text. So there are some features of non-fiction book which we are going to learn in this lesson, by which we can find some information. So are you with me? Let's see what are the features of non-fiction book. So here we have text features. Let's see what's that. So text features are included in non-fiction text to help the reader better understand the material. There are many different types of text features that provide unique information to the reader. That can be that they tell us some information or explain new information, or it can help the reader to find information. It means that the text features are that kind of thing which helps the reader to explain some new information or to help the reader to find the information. So whenever we read a book or any story book or any non-fiction fiction book, we should know that what are the text features. For non-fiction book, here we have some text features. So let's go through it. Our first text feature is headings and subheadings. A heading is included at the top of the text to tell the reader what the entire text is about. A subheading tells the reader what information they will find in the following paragraphs before the next subheading. So here, what do we mean by heading? Heading means that they tell us something about something important. Whatever we have something important and we want to get attention of the reader, we make it as a heading. Heading helps the reader to find information or to tell the reader what the entire text is about. You can say, for example, the heading can be germs, like we're gonna learn about germs, like what are the different kinds of germs, or how many types of germs are there, or what is the cause of germs, like that. So next we have index. Index means index is an alphabetical list of names, subject, etc. with reference to the pages on which they are mentioned. So if you look into your any storybook or any your dictionary, you can see there is index available in the book or in the dictionary. Index means that every kind of list is in an alphabetical order. If you can look in the picture in this index, it seems like it is starting from alphabet A, then B, then C, then D. Like it seems like it is in the alphabetical order. First one, they're showing that about cordless telephones. This term is on page number 51. And if I want to know that where is the word handset display screen messages, where is this, I will check in the H, and the page number is 36, that I can find this term in the page number 36. So whatever you want to know about, or any kind of term you want to know, you can see in the index that in which page you can find out this topic. Okay, did you understand this? Next we have table of contents. If you look at your book, your student's book, you can see in the beginning of the page there is table of content available over there, and on that page you can see that they have given you the topics that you will learn in this book along with the page number. For example, your unit number 1 will be written like this, dangers, and then the page number is there. For example, if I want to know that where is this topic available, so I will just go through the table of content. I will see which topic is required for me. I will choose that topic, and then I will see beside that which page number is it. Then I will open that page, so I will find the topic over there. So table of contents is often included at the very beginning of a book. The table of contents shows a list of headings within the book and the page number where you can look to find that heading. When you will do this, you will be having very fun, because it's really fun to find out the topic along with the page number. The table of contents makes it easier for the reader to find specific information they are looking for. For example, I have a thick book, very big book I have, okay? But in this big book, I want to only find one topic. So should I go through all the book, or should I look into the table of contents? What do you think? Yes, I will look into the table of contents, that which topic I want to see. I will choose that topic, and then I will see in which page number I can find that topic. I will simply open that page and find the topic. It's very simple. Next we have bold words. Throughout the text, an author may choose to make a word bold. When author wants the reader attention, or he or she wants to tell the reader that there is something important, he or she will make it as a bold. A bold word is often an important word to the subject of the text, or a different word that the reader may not know. If you see a bold word, there is a good chance you can find the definition in the glossary. So about glossary we will discuss in the next slide, but before going that, we will discuss about bold words. If you can see in your book also, in your book, the author usually make the important words as a bold, so that the reader, the author can make attention of the reader to that word, that there is something important here, to just clear them that the reader may not know. So here is the last feature of non-fiction book, that is the glossary. What do you mean by glossary? Even glossary we can see in the books, in the dictionary, anywhere of the book. It seems always in the end of the storybook, you can say in the dictionary or in the book. So what do you mean by glossary? A glossary is included at the end of the book. Bold words throughout the text are listed in alphabetical order. Next to each word is a definition of the word to help the reader better understand the information. If you can look into the small piece of paper, mechanical system, that is noun. The mechanical system word, they made it in the bold so that the reader will see that yes, there is something important. Mechanical system means that it contains related components which act together to create a motion. So glossary is a kind of text feature which helps the reader to find out the meanings of the important or the bold words. I hope you understand the features of non-fiction books, right? So here is your task for today. So this is your student's book, page number 40. If you will open, you will see that page. That is Amazing Journeys, right? If you can look into the right blue box, they have given you the definition of table of contents and the index that we have discussed in the previous slides. And down, if you can see in the right side, there is index. Index means, you remember that the words are listed in an alphabetical order along with the page numbers, right? And if you can see on the left side, that is the journey of humpback whales, you can see there are table of contents, like they have given the chapter names along with the page number. So what is your task for today? Your task is to complete or to do the questions from letter A till F in your copybook. So let's start with the letter A question, that what you gonna do. Look at the contents and index of this book and answer the questions. You will focus on the contents, the table of contents along with the index that they have given you in the book. You can see the end part of the book, you can see in the left and the right side. On the left side you can see the content and the right side you can see the index, right? So question number 1 is, how many sections or chapters are there in this book? In which book? You will see in the table of contents. Don't count the glossary and index. Just look into the contents and find your answer and write in your copybook. The B part is, on which page would you find out about migration? So you will focus on the table of contents and find out the answer, right? Third is, what do you expect to find in the glossary? What do you expect to find in the glossary? What we can find in the glossary? D part, Antarctica is in the contents and in the index. On which pages would you look to find out about Antarctica? You will look into index or contents. It's up to you. You will decide. Yes. Then write down the answer in the copybook. E part is, what do you think page number 22 is about? Where you will look, in table of contents or in index. You will see and find the answer and write down in the copybook. On which pages could you find out about baby whales? Yes, it's something interesting. So you need to focus on table of contents and index to find out your answers, right? So students, dear students, open your student's book, page number 40, and do all the questions from part number A till F in your copybook. I hope to understand the topic and you will enjoy your work. Have a good day.